In a world increasingly focused on efficiency and maximizing space, there's a certain charm and practicality to items that can adapt to our needs. These adaptable items not only save space but also add a touch of innovation to our daily lives. Folding furniture, tools, and accessories offer a brilliant solution, seamlessly blending functionality with convenience. They transform small spaces into versatile areas, making every inch count. Today we'll delve into the world of DIY, guiding you through the creation of two such ingenious items, the smart folding ladder and folding metal utensils. These projects are perfect for anyone looking to combine creativity with practicality. Imagine this, a ladder that effortlessly folds away, disappearing into a slim profile when not needed, saving you valuable space in your home or garage. Or a set of compact, durable utensils perfect for camping trips and cozy picnics. These utensils are designed to be both lightweight and sturdy, making them ideal for outdoor adventures. These projects are not just about creating functional items, they are about embracing the joy of crafting something with your own two hands, of transforming raw materials into personalized creations. The process itself is a rewarding experience. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting your journey, these projects offer a rewarding challenge and a chance to unlock your inner maker. They provide an opportunity to learn new skills and techniques, but the benefits go beyond the tangible. The sense of pride and accomplishment you get from completing a project is unmatched. Engaging in DIY projects like these ignites creativity, sharpens problem-solving skills, and brings a sense of accomplishment that brightens any day. It's a way to express yourself and create something unique. It's about taking a break from the ordinary, rolling up your sleeves and saying, "I can make that." It's a declaration of your ability to create and innovate. So, gather your tools, clear your workspace, and let's embark on this fulfilling journey together. Let's make something amazing that you can be proud of. Ladders, those seemingly simple structures, hold a prominent place in our homes and workshops. They grant us access to high shelves, help us reach for those forgotten items tucked away in attics, and become indispensable companions for various tasks around the house. Yet their bulky nature often presents a storage conundrum. Traditional ladders with their rigid frames tend to take up valuable floor space, becoming somewhat of a necessary inconvenience. Enter the smart folding ladder, a stroke of design brilliance that combines the utility of a ladder with the elegance of space-saving efficiency. Imagine a ladder that gracefully folds in half, transforming its footprint from a sprawling structure to a sleek, easily storable unit. This is the magic of a folding ladder, and the best part? You can build one yourself. This project will guide you through each step, providing clear instructions and valuable insights to make your DIY experience enjoyable and successful. So, are you ready to embark on this journey and create a folding ladder that's not only functional but also a testament to your craftsmanship? Before we delve into the construction process, let's take a moment to gather the essential materials and tools that will transform this project from an idea into a tangible reality. The right materials and tools are the foundation of any successful DIY project. Just like a chef prepares their ingredients before embarking on a culinary adventure, having everything you need within arm's reach ensures a smooth and enjoyable building experience. This preparation phase is crucial to avoid any interruptions once you start building. Materials. 1. Aluminum or steel tubing. The backbone of your ladder, choose between lightweight aluminum or sturdy steel depending on your load-bearing requirements. Aluminum is easier to handle while steel offers more strength. 2. Hinges. Opt for heavy-duty folding hinges that can withstand frequent use and bear the weight of the ladder and its user. Ensure they are rust-resistant for longevity. 3. Non-slip rubber pads. These will be attached to the feet of your ladder, providing stability and preventing scratches on your floors. They also enhance safety by reducing the risk of slipping. 4. Rivets or bolts. These fasteners will securely hold the ladder components together. Choose rivets for a permanent connection or bolts for the flexibility of disassembly. Bolts are ideal if you plan to modify or transport the ladder frequently. 5. Wooden or metal steps. Select pre-cut steps or cut them yourself from sturdy wood or metal planks. Ensure the steps are wide and strong enough to support your weight comfortably. 6. Spray paint or varnish, optional. Add a finishing touch and protect your ladder from the elements with a coat of paint or varnish in your desired color. This not only enhances the appearance, but also extends the ladder's lifespan. Tools. 1. Measuring tape. Precision is key in this project, and a reliable measuring tape is your trusted sidekick. Accurate measurements ensure all parts fit together perfectly. 2. Drill with metal bits. You'll need this to create holes for the hinges, rivets, or bolts. 3. Saw, metal or wood. Choose the appropriate saw based on the material of your ladder tubing and steps. A sharp saw will make clean cuts, reducing the need for excessive sanding. 4. Rivet gun or wrench, if using bolts. These tools will help you securely fasten the ladder components together. Ensure you have the correct size for your fasteners. 5. Sandpaper or file. Use these to smooth out any rough edges on the metal tubing or wooden steps. This step is essential for a professional finish and to prevent injuries from sharp edges. Having your materials and tools ready sets the stage for a successful and enjoyable building experience. Remember, safety comes first. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves and eye protection, when handling tools and materials. Safety should never be compromised, so take the necessary precautions to protect yourself. Before we pick up our saws and drills, let's take a moment to plan the design of our folding ladder. Proper planning is the foundation of any successful DIY project, ensuring that we have a clear vision and all the necessary materials at hand. This crucial step ensures that our ladder not only meets our specific needs, but is also structurally sound and safe to use. Safety should always be our top priority, and thorough planning helps us avoid potential pitfalls. 1. Choose the ladder type. There are several types of folding ladders to consider, each with its own unique benefits and applications. The first decision involves selecting the type of folding ladder that best suits your requirements. A-frame folding ladder. This classic design resembles the letter A when unfolded and offers excellent stability. It's perfect for tasks that require a solid, reliable base, such as painting or home repairs. It's ideal for tasks that require a wider base of support. Single-pole retractable ladder. This type of ladder is incredibly versatile and space-saving. As the name suggests, this type of ladder collapses into a single pole, making it easy to store in tight spaces, making it incredibly compact for storage. It's a great option for those with limited storage space or who need a ladder that can be easily transported. It's suitable for lighter-duty tasks and reaching higher elevations. 2. Measure the dimensions. Accurate measurements are key to building a functional and safe ladder. Height. Determine the desired height of your ladder based on its intended use. Think about the highest point you need to reach and ensure your ladder can safely get you there. Consider the height of your ceilings, shelves, or any areas you need to access. Base width. The base width is crucial for stability. For stability, a general rule of thumb is to have a base width that's approximately 1/4 of the ladder's height. This ensures a stable and secure foundation. For instance, if your ladder is 8 feet tall, aim for a base width of around 2 feet. Step spacing. Consistent step spacing is essential for safe and comfortable climbing. Maintain consistent spacing between the steps, typically around 10 to 12 inches for comfortable climbing. This helps prevent accidents and makes the ladder easier to use. 3. Draw a blueprint. A well-drawn blueprint is your roadmap to success. Even a simple sketch on paper can be immensely helpful in visualizing your ladder's design. It allows you to plan out every detail before you start building. Clearly mark the dimensions, the placement of hinges, steps, and any additional features you plan to incorporate, such as a locking mechanism. This ensures that you have a clear plan to follow. By carefully considering these design aspects, you can avoid mistakes and make adjustments on paper rather than during construction. You'll create a folding ladder that's not only functional but also tailored to your specific needs and preferences. This personalized approach ensures that your ladder will serve you well for years to come. Alright, now that we've got all the pieces together, it's time to bring your vision to life. This is where the magic happens. So, let's get started. First, let's make sure we have all our tools ready. You don't want to be halfway through and realize you're missing something important. Trust me, it happens to the best of us. Now follow the steps carefully. Take your time and don't rush. It's better to be precise than to hurry and make mistakes. Remember, patience is key. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, don't worry. It's all part of the process. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and improve. And there you have it. With a little effort and a lot of passion, you've brought your vision to life. Great job! Now take a moment to admire your hard work. You deserve it. Alright, let's dive into crafting folding metal utensils that are perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a camping trip, a picnic, or just for everyday use, these utensils are both practical and stylish. First things first, selecting the right materials is crucial. You'll need a durable metal, like stainless steel, for longevity and sturdiness. As for tools, a good metal cutter, a file, and a drill are essential. Don't forget safety gear, gloves and goggles are a must. Now on to shaping and assembling. Start by cutting your metal pieces to the desired size and shape. Use the file to smooth out any rough edges. Then, carefully drill holes for the folding mechanism. Assemble the pieces, ensuring they fold and unfold smoothly. Congratulations! You've successfully crafted your own folding metal utensils. Take a moment to celebrate your DIY success. And hey, why not inspire others to embark on their own projects too? Share your creation and spread the joy of DIY.